Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's everyone's favorite Rideshare Hub host, Isabella, and today we have another update from Para. Para is growing every single day. So many more users are joining Para, and if you don't know what it is, it's this awesome app that helps delivery drivers and rideshare drivers help make their job a little bit easier. It'll help you make more money. It's basically just a great app that you can get with our link down below so that you can optimize your time on the road and make the most out of the time you're spending working and driving. So they have released yet another feature to help drivers, and that is a new positive flagging feature. So we've already talked about in the past how you can flag restaurants or apartment buildings if you don't like them and you don't want to go back to them, but now they have a positive flagging feature because, you know, we want positivity all throughout 2023. Not everything has to be negative. So let's just go in and talk about this new feature that they have to offer. Now, this positive flagging tool has been very popular. Already 65% of the users have adopted this feature and they are absolutely loving it. So now if you're a Para user, you can flag good tippers, you can flag areas where there's easy parking, safe neighborhoods, good restaurants, friendly customers, and a lot more. So now that a positive aspect is added to the flagging feature, you can basically like or dislike different things. So this is a great feature for drivers because it'll basically just set boundaries for which areas are good and which areas are bad. And while you're using the app, it can send you to the good areas more and keep you away from the bad areas or the bad restaurants or the bad customers. So this will really just save time and help you make more money. Because I mean, think about it. Let's say you end up positively flagging a bunch of good tippers and negatively flagging a bunch of bad tippers. It will start to send you to the good tippers more if they come up again. Same with the restaurants that have low wait times or the neighborhoods that are safer and keep you away from the neighborhoods that are unsafe. You know, it kind of keeps you in a line of like exactly where you want to be as a driver. So let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And again, if you want to download Para, we have a link down below in the description so you can check that out. Anyways guys, feel free to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.